Doing a walk outside the Roman castle. In a few days I will go inside and record as well, but today I'm going to follow it on the outside. I will pass under the famous Kos Bridge and head up to town. I'm not sure exactly what road I will take up to town, but somewhere up in the Kos center. Some years ago there was a big earthquake and they shut down this castle for security reasons, and well, they had secured the castle again and it's open again. I think they started to open it last year and it's supposed to be open every day a week except Tuesdays, but things can change, so don't take my word for it. It's a nice castle to see, and great view outside over the harbor. This part of the harbor has changed a lot since I started to go to Kos. It's growing and growing. The tallest building ahead, I think it's a government building, and also I think the police station are there, if I remember correctly. But it's been a couple of years since I was here, so things might have changed. But I think I can spot a police car ahead, so at least I think the police station are still there. We're about to turn right here and see the famous Kos Bridge. You have seen it on pictures, and if you've been on Kos, I'm probably sure you have walked under it and over it. And if you haven't, you will see it in a few minutes, maybe 2 minutes or something. And I will walk under it so you can see it. We're turning right here, and you will recognize it straight away. Famous bridge. If you want to enter the castle, you have to go over the bridge, and the door is up to the right, but it looks like it's closed now. So I will check out open hours later, because I'm going to be there one day during this trip and record it. And when we have passed this bridge, after passing this bridge, we are back right in the center of Kos town and the harbor. So you will see all the ships to the right, and Kos center to the left. The bar streets are up to the left. So, we have gone all around the castle and are back in the harbor. I hope to see you in another video from Kos or somewhere else in the world. Take care.